I typed create a re-engagement campaign for customers who haven't bought in 90 days. And less than 45 seconds later, it was done. No template to fill out, no workflow to build, no settings to configure. I'm going to show you right now my walkthrough of the whole thing today. What I built, how it sent, and whether it actually works for real businesses like yours in your use case. Let me be honest with you about something. Most of us are not bad at marketing. We're bad at marketing tools. Think about the last time you tried to set up an automation. You go into the platform, there's a dashboard with 12 tabs, and you click workflows, and now you're looking at a canvas with nodes, triggers, and conditions, and you haven't done anything yet. You're just setting up to do the thing. Then you need to segment your list. That's another screen. Write the copy, another screen. Pick the send time, connect it to your CRM, and by the time you've actually launched the campaign, it's been about 3 hours, and you're not even sure it works. The tools weren't built for people running businesses. They were built for people who have teams specifically trained to run the tools. If you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business owner, or an agency operator doing all this for clients, you don't have that luxury. You have a business to run. So the question I keep asking myself is, what would it look like if I had a tool that just worked for me? That's what I want to introduce you to today. The tool is called Spokey, and I want to be upfront with you. This video is actually sponsored by them, but I'm going to show you the actual product because the way it works is genuinely different from anything I've reviewed before. Now, here's the core idea. Spokey is not a tool you learn. It's a tool you talk to. So think about ChatGPT, but for marketing. Their CEO describes it as a shift from software that gives you features to a software that delivers results. You don't navigate dashboards. You don't build workflows. You don't configure automations. You just say what you want, and Spokey's AI executes it. They call it a customer engagement management platform, a CEM, which basically means it handles your marketing, sales follow-up, and customer support all in one continuous flow. So if you're using WhatsApp, SMS, or voice AI, this is what you've got. And before you ask, yes, you can manage it all from WhatsApp itself. And when you think about it, this really helps you run a campaign from your phone without thinking about logging in and doing all this step by step. Let me show you what that actually looks like. But before we begin, you're going to see a link down below for you to try this for free and actually use the platform and see what it looks like step by step. So let's sign up, and then we're going to start building out a re-engagement campaign. Right here, once you log in and create an account, what you're going to see on the left-hand side is the basic navigation of what we can do. We'll have the dashboard, analytics, we'll be able to see the tickets, automation, and templates, and we'll get into more of that in a second. But let's just start on the dashboard and type in a simple thing like, I want to create a campaign for inactive customers. Once I have that, I'm going to say go, and it mentions I'm going to accept and go through this for a second. It's going to analyze my request, and we're going to go from here. It will walk us through step by step in order to perform this, right? So create a campaign for inactive customers. It's saying it looks like there's no contact list in your account. Campaigns need a list first, so create a list. We first created a list by creating a new marketing list. We just named it marketing list and then went from there. And from here, you can actually import all of your stuff from a CSV or advanced search, but we just did an empty list right here. And then from the marketing list, you can actually add more people from the contacts if you import them right here, or again, you have different actions by importing the CSV and all those things. So again, you can manually input your contacts, or you're going to be able to import a large amount via the CSV. Now, this is really important to note when you're creating a brand new contacts, because you're going to be using all of the different aspects of WhatsApp, SMS, etc. It's important that you capture their phone number as well. That's going to be crucial for you to be able to utilize this. So after we did that, we can go back to the dashboard, and now that we've already created our list right here, I'm just going to say create a campaign for inactive customers. Then it mentions, let me check what lists and templates you have available. So it says you have one list, a marketing list with one contact, and no template specifically for inactive customers. Would you like me to use the existing marketing list as the audience, or should I create a dedicated inactive customer list first? I'm just going to say use the marketing list. And what I like about this is allowing you to move very quickly. And as, by the way, pardon me, my grammar, real quick, I clicked it too fast. I can say, yes, use the marketing list right here. So as you can see, even when I'm having trouble right here, it's helping me through the process. It says, great. Now, do you have a template in mind for this campaign, or should I help you find or create one? I'm going to say create one. Again, instead of me searching and going through all these templates, it's helping me do my job more effectively. Now here it says, what kind of message do you want to send inactive customers? I'm going to go with a special offer. It's asking me what kind of special offer. 50% off our membership. And this is one of the best parts right here. In just a few minutes, it's allowing me to do all this stuff just in a conversation. It says, what's the name of the brand or product to personalize image? I'm just going to say the product is called Launch Labs. Shout out to our community. There's going to be a link down below if you want to join it as well. So you can learn about great tools like Spokey and others. And so, shameless plug right there.
Wow.
Now it says, here's a draft for the body text. We miss you. Come back to Launch Labs and enjoy 50% off your membership just for you. Don't let this exclusive offer pass you by. Want to tweak anything, or does this feel right? I'm going to say, sounds great. What language should this template be in? I'm going to say English. Do you want to add a banner image, buttons on the template? I'm going to say, I want to add a image and a button. Create the copy for the button and give me some options for the image header. Let's see what it does. I like that. Here's a button suggestion, claim 50% off. I like that. A clear action-driven call to action. That works. For the image, here's some ideas. A bold graphic for 50% off in large text. A lifestyle photo showing happy, active members at Launch Lab. A sleek branded banner with Launch Lab's logo and the offer highlighted. Which direction do you want? I would go with, let's go with a bold graphic. It's a digital platform. It's a digital community. So I don't think I want active members like photos like that necessarily. Let's go with this one first. So it says, let me check for any duplicate templates before we finalize. No duplicates found. Here's the preview. Okay, right here, drag and drop to add image right there. I don't think I want that. I just want this. We miss you. Come back to Launch Labs and enjoy 50% off your membership just for you. Okay, I like that. Now that we have this, we can create a template. There we go. And we have the offer right here. It already created this for me, broke it down, and all that we have. Done. Now we can view the template. And once we go over there, we can look at everything that we have right here. And we can also preview what it would look like in WhatsApp and everything like that. Mentions classic, payment request, form, carousel. So we can actually add more offers right here as well. And so we can save it right here and be all set. And this helps us get ready before we're going to use WhatsApp if we want to use this for our campaigns. But again, with our dashboard, we can see right here the whole process of even creating a re-engagement campaign. We can do this step by step based on what we're looking to do for our business. And again, instead of us needing to search through templates, it can already help us build out what we need for our business. In the comment section down below, let me know what kind of other campaign that you're looking to do for your business. Are you an e-commerce business? Are you a creator and you're reaching out to your subscribers or your audience and looking to re-engage them or just offer another product or service? There's one more section I want to bring out with Spokey, and that would be the section for AI agents. Now, before we dive into this, you need to think about what are you spending the most time on, or maybe what's giving you the most headaches or just you feel overwhelmed. Well, here are some AI agents that can help you. What do I mean by that? If you're thinking about a sales agent, customer service, or something else that could be custom, you can have this available to you. And this really helps you with your business so you can focus on the more important things and put the AI agent to work to answer questions for sales or whatever you need. Not only that, they have a new beta feature, and this would be for a voice agent. And this is really interesting because if you're having ones calling in and you need 24-hour support and they can talk to someone about what they need help with, you can have this right here for your voice agent. So depending on what their needs are and what kind of business you're running, maybe that you're selling products or services, you can have this. Not only that, if it's a service-based business, you can have this available for you for people to get support. And that way you're not outsourcing it or always on the hook for answering every phone call. And this is something really interesting. To power these different text and voice agents, this allows you to have a knowledge base. So you can have all the references of all of the different things in your business. You can attach your website. You can manually input and give it more context about your business, upload files, and also have a chat knowledge base. So this can be fine-tuned for your business needs. Along with this, you can also connect different tools by using webhooks. That just means you can have different systems connected. So when something happens, it can retrieve information, or you can also manage your data with MCP, which just means you have more options to connect different services for your business. And then you'll also have your reporting here as well. This isn't a tool with a learning curve. It's generally designed to work on day one out of the box. If you felt overwhelmed with marketing tools, and honestly, who hasn't? This is the simplest way to get started that I've seen. There's a free sandbox you can use to test it out before committing to anything. No credit card, no pressure. If you want to learn how to optimize your business with AI and automation, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.